The encouraging numbers come from the Discover Small Business Watch.
This is a monthly index measuring the relative economic confidence of U.S. small business owners, and it rose to 72.8 points in December from 67.5 points in November. 21% of small business owners believe economic conditions for their businesses are getting better, and 24% of business owners say they plan to boost spending on business development over the next 6 months.
Tonight in Greensboro, there was a tangible sign of how the small business dream remains alive and well. Fox 8's Angela Rodriguez joins us live from East Market Street with an explanation. A-Rod.
Hey, Julie, the East Market Street Development Corporation and A&T are teaming up to offer a class for people who want to start their own business or grow their own business, preferably in this area. Now, the class is offered every year, but what's different this year is the economy. And in this economy, there's a whole new sense of urgency to have a plan B.
You start with the definition of entrepreneur. It means risk taker in business. So risk is inherent with what we're doing.
Everyone in this class is ready to be their own boss.
Well, my dream is to own my own restaurant and be able to, provide a good living for my family.
They have a passion and specialty skills.
I started my own cake business out of my home, so I do cakes, wedding cakes, birthday cakes, cupcakes.
But what they don't have just yet is a plan.
Subcontractor for about 13 years now in the flooring industry, and I'm interested in opening up my own flooring store.
That's where Phil Barnhill, East Market Street Development Corporation in North Carolina, A&T, come in.
But what we're looking to do with this class is hopefully give people enough ammunition.
In 14 weeks, this class will learn what it takes to make their ideas profitable. Charles Turner III wants to start his own business making jewelry. In spite of the economy, Fred Kimber is ready to take a chance on himself and the future of East Market Street. In the next year, he'd like to open up his own soul food restaurant.
I'd probably like to have it in this East Market Street corridor to start. Maybe start out with a small facility and then branch out later, maybe franchise somewhere down the road.
Even in a scary economy, it's food for thought.
If you think about how many businesses started during the Depression, this is an opportunity.
Now, what the students don't have right now is money, but that's why developing a strong business plan is the foundation of the class to help secure the loans to get these businesses up and running, hopefully in the future. Live in Greensboro tonight, I'm Angela Rodriguez, Fox 8 News.